If layout sometimes feels like too many buttons and not enough brain space, good news. You can bend it to your will. Today, we are going to turn Affinity Layout into your personal creative cockpit because efficiency isn't about knowing every shortcut, it's about building the ones you actually use. Every designer works differently, so why use a one-size-fits-all layout? Customization turns repetition into speed. It's like moving your fridge closer to a coffee machine. Tiny change, huge life upgrade. Affinity lets you move, hide, or rebind almost everything. Let's start with shortcuts. Go to Affinity, Settings, or if you are using PC, Edit Preferences. Click on that, and here you can see shortcuts. Under here, you see every command in Affinity, all categorized. To change one, click the command, like here, and press desired key. But if it's already in use, Affinity will warn you. Here's my tips. Start by changing what you use most, like placing image, Command Shift P, or export Command E, or maybe text frame link, Command plus L. You can also create shortcuts from menu items that don't have any. Perfect for your personal workflow hack. When done, click Export Shortcuts. Next, toolbars. Right-click the top toolbar. Here, right-click, and here, Customize Toolbar. You'll see glorious buffet of icons. Add, remove, or rearrange anything. I recommend keeping only what you use daily. For me, it's Boolean operations, like you can see here. Then aligning. So basically, you should customize it so you don't have to search those tools under window. The context toolbar under the main bar, here, changes based on your tool. Pro tip, keep toolbars minimal and rely on shortcuts. Your screen feels cleaner and your hand moves less. Your panels like swatches, colors, layers, textiles are your control center. You can drag them anywhere, tuck left, right, or float them on a second monitor. So it's quite easy. Just take this and drag it out, or drag it back here. Here's a common productive setup. On left, here is tools. On the right is layers, textiles, swatches. If you're editing photos often, add the adjustment and effects panel to the right stack. Instant access, no hunting. And remember, panels are succession, not commandments. Once you've arranged everything just right, save it as a workspace. Go to Window, Panels, and add preset. Name it something descriptive, maybe layout mode or photo editing, so you would find your workspace easily and you know what does it do. Now you can instantly switch layouts based on your task. Want full focus, hide panels and save it as minimal mode. Want full control, show everything and save it as editing mode. If someone else uses your computer, you can load your workspace back with one click. It's like teleporting your brain interface. So all your saved workspaces live here. We have done Affinity YouTube tutorial and new. And you see, if I change the layout here, changes. Designing for hours means comfort matters. So go to Affinity Settings and User Interface. Here you can change your background gray level, almost basically dark or white. I like to keep it a little bit gray. You can change your artboard background gray level. You can change UI scaling for better readability here. I like it default. It's a little bit smaller, but I like it like that. Find what feels right. There's no award for suffering through tiny icons. Also, if you are color sensitive, adjust UI gamma to soften contrast. Your eyes will thank you at 2 a.m. And here is a bonus tip. If you want layout to open with your perfect setup every time, create a blank document using your favorite settings. Page size, margin, grid, styles. Then File, Export as template. We have talked about it earlier videos. Set that as your default startup document under Preferences, General, New Document from Template. Now every time you open layout, you start with your custom layout styles and panels, exactly how you like. It's like waking up and finding your workspace already cleaned. Next time, we'll dive into working with external assets, how to link files, fonts, and libraries across projects without losing track. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and remember, real pros don't adapt to software, they make it adapt to them.